Castor oil, derived from the seeds of a castor plant, has been used for centuries for various health and beauty benefits. Here are some potential benefits of castor oil. Number one, it moisturizes skin. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, particularly ricinoic acid, which has moisturizing properties. It can deeply penetrate the skin, helping to hydrate and soften dry, rough, or flaky skin. Applying castor oil topically can help nourish the skin and improve overall texture and appearance. Also, it improves hair growth. Massaging castor oil into the scalp can stimulate hair follicles, promote blood circulation, and encourage hair growth. The nourishing properties of castor oil can also help strengthen hair strands, prevent breakage, and reduce split ends. Some people use castor oil as a natural remedy for thinning or bald patches. Number three, conditions hair and scalp. Like I said before, castor oil can help condition and moisturize hair and the scalp, leaving it shiny, smooth, and more manageable. Number four, anti inflammatory properties. Retinoic acid, the main fatty acid in castor oil, exhibits anti inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated and inflamed skin. Applying this to your skin conditions like acne, eczema, and dermatitis can help your skin drastically. Number five, it relieves constipation. When taken orally or putting it on your belly button, castor oil acts as a stimulant laxative, promoting bowel movements and relieving constipation. It works by increasing the movement of muscles in the intestines, leading to more frequent and easier passage of stool. However, oral use of castor oil for constipation should be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional in order to avoid side effects. And lastly, it's a natural pain relief. Castor oil packs, which involve applying a cloth soaked in castor oil to the skin, are sometimes used as a natural remedy for pain relief and inflammation. The heat from the pack, combined with the anti inflammatory properties of castor oil, can help relax the muscles, reduce pain, and promote healing in affected areas. Now, while castor oil offers several benefits, it's important to note that individual responses may vary, and some people may experience allergic reaction or skin sensitivities. It's advisable to perform a patch test before using castor oil topically and consult with the healthcare if you want to take it orally. Castor